Click on the link below to get price. The XPOWER XD-85L2 145 Pint LGR Commercial Dehumidifier is a powerhouse designed for large-scale moisture control, making it an essential tool for both commercial and residential applications. With its impressive capacity to remove up to 145 pints of moisture per day, this dehumidifier is particularly suited for environments like basements, warehouses, and construction sites where humidity can wreak havoc. One of the standout features of the XD-85L2 is its advanced LGR, low-grain refrigerant, technology, which allows it to operate efficiently even in low-temperature conditions. This makes it effective in spaces where traditional dehumidifiers might struggle, ensuring optimal moisture removal in challenging environments. The unit's energy efficiency is commendable, helping to keep operational costs down while maintaining high performance. The automatic purge pump is another highlight, efficiently expelling collected water without the need for manual intervention. This feature is particularly beneficial for continuous operation, as it minimizes downtime and allows for unattended use. Additionally, the included drainage hose is a thoughtful addition, providing users with the flexibility to set up the unit in various configurations without worrying about tank overflow. The XD-85L2 is also built with durability in mind, featuring a rugged design that can withstand the rigors of commercial usage. Its compact size and lightweight nature make it easy to transport, while the built-in handles ensure effortless mobility. The intuitive control panel is user-friendly, allowing for straightforward operation and adjustments. This dehumidifier operates relatively quietly, making it suitable for both industrial and residential settings without causing a significant disruption. Overall, the XPOWER XD-85L2 145 Pint LGR Commercial Dehumidifier excels in performance, efficiency, and ease of use. It's a reliable choice for anyone looking to combat excessive humidity, protect property, and improve air quality in any large space. Whether you're dealing with water damage restoration or just regular humidity control, this unit is a worthy investment.